Baba Booey.
This nigga really think it's Bruce Lee. People be like, no, yeah. I like your cut.
Hood Classic.
Alright guys, welcome to how to make cereal. I gotta start off by saying that this is probably the hardest thing we've made on this channel. I would say it's probably the hardest one. I cannot stress how hard this is gonna be. Step one, get a bowl. I chose this pretty simple, looks like it came out of the cereal commercials, to be honest. Oh shit, look at that's me upside down. This motherfucker's chowing down. So you get your milk, there you go. Wow, look at this cereal. So now that you guys know how to make cereal, use this knowledge to your advantage. Just let it sit there and be soggy. Now I have to try it, right? I'm not gonna try it, I'm scared, I'm too scared.